Hey friends, it's Jackeline here. In today's video, I'm bringing you my review on the new PATRICK TA Major Volume Mascara. But before we get started, and if you're new here, I hope that you can give me that opportunity and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you ring that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads, and come and follow me on my Instagram. And now, if you want to know all the details about this new mascara from PATRICK TA, see a full demo on how it works, then just keep on watching. As you can tell, I have a full face of makeup, pretty much. I'm just missing mascara because I'm gonna be reviewing the new PATRICK TA Major Volume Mascara that just launched a couple days ago. In fact, I went to my local Sephora to pick the new products from Fenty Beauty, which I have my review already on and whatnot, and as well as another mascara that I'm planning for another video. But they had also the new PATRICK TA mascara. I'm like, give it to me, because honestly, I really enjoy his products. I don't think I have any products from PATRICK TA. They have not worked for me. So, you know, I'm like, okay, let me try them. So here it is. This is the Unicorn. This mascara costs $29. It's made in USA. And it has a shelf life of 9 months. Now, let's open it up right here. Honestly, I asked the girl at Sephora, do you have the mascara? And I'm like, just add it to my cart. I haven't even seen how it looks on the outside. Oh, really nice. I mean, very much on brand with PATRICK TA. Lovely. Oh, I just love the packaging. This rose gold, very sleek, modern, yet simplistic. Now let's take a quick, really fast right here on the one. Okay. So I was thinking that this was going to be kind of like an hourglass wand, but it's not. It's more like a straight one, but it has a lot of bristles, which I assume it will give me quite a bit of volume. Usually what I look for in mascaras is to give me volume, separation, that really give me kind of fake lashes, and the one doesn't carry a lot of the product. Seems like the product it's a little bit on the thicker side. Now let's go really quick to Sephora's app and let's read more about this mascara right here. So it says, an intensely black, ultra dramatic mascara that maximizes your lashes. Okay, all of this is speaking to me. The benefits is volumizing, and right here, what else you need to know? This mascara custom double cut brush loads your lashes and comes through for the ultimate volume. Wow, that sounds like pretty intense about the brush. Double cut brush. I really don't know what that means because honestly, you know, I don't develop makeup products or mascaras, but it sounds good. What else it says right here? It says that it will, again, give you the ultimate volume, lift, and definition. All of that I like, while peptides and glycerin helps condition and support health-looking lashes. Okay, so this mascara has peptides, but what I like right here is where it says benefits, it doesn't emphasize anything about like, okay, this mascara will help your lashes grow. So it is not really claiming that, but we know that peptides actually really supports the health of the lashes. In fact, one of my favorite mascaras for every day that it has peptides, sorry, I'm looking right here, is my Chantecaille Fossil mascara. This one is for every day, and again, it does have peptides. It conditions your lashes. It helps them to just not grow longer, you know, because it's not a serum to do that, but in fact to strengthen from the root. I got you a little bit closer right here, and if you're wondering, I film in natural light, and in fact today I'm trying something different. I do have two small light boxes on the side of me that they point towards the back, but there's a lot of sun out there and it seems like I don't need them to point to the back anymore. So let me know how you're liking, you know, this right here. Again, all natural light. Just let me know. Okay friends, let's go into this right here. So let me show you again very close how it looks, the wand. And by the way, all the products that I have used for my makeup, they will be on the description box below, along with the links for your convenience, as well as this PATRICK TA mascara, which, like I was saying, is available right now at Sephora, as well as PATRICK TA website. Okay, let's try this baby right here. Let's see how this goes. Like I said, this one has more of like a drier kind of formulation. I kind of like it. Let me coat it a little bit more. And yeah, you see that one doesn't carry a lot of the product. But let me see how much I can build it up, because right now it's giving me a lot of separation. See how it goes with volume. Now they are not clumping up, but actually the one is separating really well the lashes, and it is giving me a little bit more length. There you go, friends. I think it's a really nice mascara. It has given me a lot of length, somewhat of volume, not a ton, but you know, the lashes look defined and definitely looks a lot better than my naked lashes right here. So yeah, let's keep playing with this mascara. You see right there is already giving me separation more than volume. I'm gonna go for a second coat. Before I go into trying a third coat, I really want you guys to see like the one doesn't carry like a ton of product. You see right there? It just carries very minimal amount of product. So let me just see if I can build it up a little more. Let's go now for the lower lashes. Okay, let me tell you that I really like the finish of this mascara. It's not super wet, it's not goopy. It does give a lot of separation, it gives length, it gives volume, but not way too much volume. So one mascara that I have been enjoying a lot lately, and you perhaps see it all the time I mean, like at least in the past 2 months, is the by Beauty Upswing mascara, because this gives me a lot of volume. It gives me separation, it doesn't clump my lashes, but it gives me like really a look of kind of like fake lashes. But like I was telling you, in daily basis, I usually use my Fossil mascara from Chantecaille, and that one, it gives me most than anything separation, a little bit of length, not a lot. But for me, this Patrick Ta mascara, it actually gives me the perfect amount of separation, the perfect amount of length, the perfect amount of volume that looks very natural. I mean, it's not like super dramatic, but it looks very pretty, very natural. It looks like fake lashes, but not those lashes that are like very obvious on your face, like you have fake lashes. You know what I mean? This is more like your lashes but better kind of thing. And I really love the formulation because, again, it's not super wet, so it didn't transfer on my eyelids, you know, and ruin my eye look, obviously. I will make sure to leave on either a pinned comment on the description box below how it worked throughout the day, how, you know, it worked, but I know I have a lot of things to do. So anyhow, friends, so far I really like everything about it, but I think it's super important also to know whether it flakes, whether it transfers. And another thing that is important to know right here, I do not have oily skin, I do have dry skin, but my concealer, I usually leave it unset. So right now it's not set, and I think that is something that sometimes you have to act with a lot of caution, because if you have unset concealer, your mascara can transfer. So you have to find a really good mascara to do not do that. And usually the mascaras that I use are very good at not transferring under my eyes, regardless of my dry skin. You know, concealer is concealer, and it can be already dry, but it still has a little bit of moisture in it, you know what I mean? So that is something that definitely I'm going to test it to make sure that it doesn't transfer, but so far I'm really liking it. Now about major volume, I think it gives me more of like a lashes that has a little bit of like that flirtiness to it, you know, a little bit of separation, elongation, a little bit more of like Victoria's Secret kind of supermodel vibes, you know, like really lovely. Honestly, enjoying the mascara. Very pretty. I now would love to know from you. Are you curious about this mascara? Are you planning to try it? You have it on your wish list, or perhaps you've already tried it. What about if you leave your comment on the comment section down below and while you're at it, and if you haven't done so yet, I hope that you can give me that opportunity and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you ring that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads, and come and follow me on my Instagram. If you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also share with family and friends, and until the next time, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye!